Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry I haven't done anything lately. Been a little busy, but yeah. This one right here, we're starting early. What is today, Wednesday? I don't even remember the date. Anyway, we're here to do a Kia K4. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky. We're out in Dickinson, Texas at Gay Family Kia. They have a 2025 Kia K4 GT line that they want done in something special. What do I mean by that? Well, as you see, these cars already come with some nice seats in them. I mean, they look pretty good. I need to find that headrest. Anyway, yeah, they want to pull this out. Looks nice. I mean, for what the vehicle is, and it's very nice. I like it. Let's see if I can show you the layout. I know it's pretty bad with this glare, but let's take a look. It's got a nice little steering wheel here. But yeah, I'm ripping out all this material. I'm gonna add something new. Should I show you? Should I not show you? I guess I'll just show you a quick sample so you can see what we're working with. But this K4 is a stock unit. It's brand new. And let me show you what we're putting in here. Don't get upset, all right? As you can see, yeah, we're going with some pink today. Sorry, it's a little hard to do with one hand. Well, actually, let's grab this piece. Kia K4 GT line. Now, you're probably wondering what? Yeah, I know, me too. Anyway, no. If you want, you can actually go to my shorts, and I actually did a Kia K5 already here. So this isn't the first one. This is actually, well, this is the first Kia K4, but I have done two Kia K5s already. First one sold instantly, and the second one is about 6-7 days sitting on the showroom. So that one will probably sell within the next few days, I'm sure. Anyway, let me get started on this one, and I'll show you the outcome. Be ready. Well, guys, as you can see, it's already gone. I couldn't even get my tools out of it yet, and they already took it. So I couldn't do a little quick, walk around of it, but I did catch some footage, just a little quick overview. So I'll go ahead and include that. But yeah, the car's gone, so couldn't go into detail. But yeah, I'll just show you a little something on how it came out. Hope you guys enjoy it.